सुषमा।
சுஷ்மாமா
சுஷ்மா 5 minutes வெயிட் பண்ணலாமா?
அடியே
ஒரு 5 minutes வெயிட் பண்ணலாமான்னு.
ஓகே அடி
யாராவது வருவாளுங்க.
जय जय श्री सुदर्शना स्वामी.
சுஷ்மா ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா?
அனிதாசன் ஜெய ஜெய ஸ்ரீ
ஆசன் சுவாமி. எல்லாரும் ஜாயின் ஆயிட்டா, ஸோ நம்ம வந்து இப்போ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றதுனாக்க பண்ணிக்கலாம் சுவாமி. தேவர் திருவள்ளம் படி.
ஒன்றுவா? ஜெய் ஜெய் ஸ்ரீ சுஷ்மா. சவுண்ட் கேட்குதா? கிளியரா?
ஆசன் எல்லாரும் ஜாயின் ஆயிண்டிருக்கா, ஸோ நம்ம வந்து இப்போ ஆரம்பிக்கலாம் சுவாமி. தேவரி திருவள்ளம் படி ஆரம்பிக்கலாம் சுவாமி.
जय जय श्रीमान वेंकटनाथार्य कवितार्किककेसरी वेदांताचार्यवर्य मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे. अहं मद्रक्षणभरो मद्रक्षणफलं तथा न मम श्रीपतेरेवेत्यात्मानं निक्षिपेत् बुधः. We can chant, those of you know Nyasadasakam, we can chant till all the people join. Aham madrakshana-bharo madrakshana-phalam tata namama shripaterevetyatmanam nikshipet buddha yasyamyaginchana shriman-anukulonyavarjitaha vishwasa-prarthana-purvam atma-raksha-bharam tayi swami susesham svabasam sabharatvena nirbharam सदत्तस्वदीया स्वार्थं स्वस्मिन्यस्ति मां स्वयं श्रीमन्नभीष्टवरद त्वामस्मि शरणं गतः एतद्धेहावसाने मां तत्पादं प्रापय स्वयं वच्चेषत्वे स्थिरधियं तत्प्राप्त्येकप्रयोजनं निषिद्धकाम्यरहितं काम्यप्रकथयं प्रार्थ्य संरक्षकं त्वां यस्य त्वत्पादपद्मे वरद निजभरं निर्भरो निर्भयोऽस्मि. कवितार्किकसिंहाय कल्याणगुणचारिणे श्रीमते वेङ्कटेशाय वेदान्तगुरवे नमः. रामानुजदयापात्रं ज्ञानवैराग्यभूषणं श्रीमद्वेङ्कटनाथाख्यं वन्दे वेदान्तदेशिकं कयादुसुतपायसद्विरदपुङ्गवद्द्रौपदी विभीषणभुजङ्गमभुजगणाम्बरीषादयः भवत्पदसमाश्रिता भयविमुक्तिमापुर्यथा लभेमहि तथा वयं सपतिरङ्गनादत्वया. So I've been discussing about prapatti, various aspects of prapatti. Prapatti or Sharanagati or Nyasam or Bharanyasam are all one and the same. It's also known as Yagam. It's also known as Tyagam. So many Paryaya Padas, right? Synonyms. It is an extraordinary and simple spiritual concept, which is present in the Vedas. Not that we have concocted something of our own, or Ramanuja started a new philosophy, or Vedanta Deshika has discovered something new. It is right from the Vedas. Mukshurvai Sharanamaham Prapadye Svetasvatar Upanishad says that you should surrender to Hayagriva. Shweta means white, Ashwa means horse, white horse. Perumal with white horse head. In fact, it is clearly mentioned in the Pramana that unless until Hayagriva Kataksham is there on a child cannot think of moksha or sampradaya or sadacharya. So the verse is something like this. Savai mokshartha chintakaha. Only that person will think of spiritual quest, spiritual knowledge, spiritual bliss. Who? Jayamanam yam purusham yam pashyen madhusudanaha. Whom Madhusudana chooses. Unless until Perumal chooses the Jivatma. Because if the Jivatma has slightest tendency to search for a permanent bliss, a permanent happiness in this universe, and Perumal is bliss, personification of bliss, Anandam Brahmano Vidvan, Satchit Ananda Sarupa. We are also Satchit Ananda Sarupas. Perumal is full of bliss. That's why we say Ara Vamudi Aparyaptamritan. Kollakkoreviran Vendittellam Tarum Kodil. Our Advas enjoy Perumal through the pasurams. Ara Umude En Namudine Kanda Gangal Matrundine Kanave. So many quotations, right? So many. Pramanas are there. So why not to enjoy that bliss in this Kali Yuga, in this world? Being in the samsara, being in this material world, we can always enjoy Perumal also. So Perumal has clearly said in the Bhagavad Gita, you can never be happy in this material world, in this samsara. Why? Dukkhalayam Ashashvatam. The title given to this whole universe is Dukkhalayam. It's full of miseries only. Sometime you feel as if it is happiness. It looks as if it is happiness, but it's not happiness. For example, we take some sweet. The sweetness is only till the tip of the tongue. Later on, the tongue does two jobs. One is speaking, second one tasting, right? Only two functions. And it's so important that if you don't speak properly, people say, I will break your teeth. Yeah, he won't say, I will cut your tongue. Nobody says that. So it will be extraordinarily careful. Perumal has got a wonderful system, The supreme scientist. So he has given us 32 teeth. Why 32? Why not 31? Why not 39? People ask, children ask, why only 32 teeth? Similarly, why 108? Why 107? Why not 106? Then we simply say it's written in the scripture, it's told by Perival, Just shut your mouth and go away. There are reasons, and that's until we should have sincere desire to know that reasons. Once Sandavan Swami was telling, I asked him like a child, I asked, and he also answers very patiently. Simustamanda, why you are not 8? Why you are not 7? Or why you are not 9? And people ask me. Then he said there are 12 Rasis and Navagrahas, right? So all these are servants of Supreme Lord. So that's why 190. 12 into 9. Just like we say 7 into 24, 24 by 7. Similarly, this is 12 Rasis are there and Navagrahas are there. A man is controlled by all these 12 Rasis and then Navagrahas. If we want to escape from the clutches of these Devatantarams, because we are bound. Yeah, they are like ministers, right? A prime minister appoints in petroleum minister, a shipping minister, different portfolios are being given under him, and they do on his behalf. So Perumal has many servants like that. Navagrahas are his servants. Shani is also his Perumal servant. Once Shani came to Hanuman that he wanted to catch him. Hanuman said, no problem, you can always, you want to touch me? Fine. He just caught hold of his neck and put him on his feet, and then he just trampled him. This you can see in Ahobilam. That is there in one of the Puranas. If you go to Ahobilam, you can see Hanuman trampling Shani, and Shani was crying for his help. Ashta Siddhena Vanidike Datha Asabaradini Janaki Makai. You can get Ashta Siddhis by worshipping Hanuman. But how did he become so powerful? Even now, people worship. You go in India, any part of India, anybody will worship Hanuman. There is no controversy there. When it comes to Balaji, Bhagavan, he is also known as Balaji. In fact, Balaji is the most common name in North India for Hanuman only. Bal Hanumanji is Balaji. Shri Govardhana Giri Nath Ji is known as Sri Nath Ji. So, abridged version. So if you go to North India and say Balaji, they know only one Balaji, Hanuman, Salasar Balaji. If you go to South and say Tirupati Balaji, you have to say. Then only they will say Tirupati Balaji, Venkateshwar Bhagwan. So how did he become so powerful, Hanuman? Simply because of Ramanama, that's all. He doesn't know anything other than Rama. Always meditating upon Rama, always thinking of Rama. Even before seeing Rama, he was chanting Ramanama because so many Maharshis have already told him that such and such a personality is going to come. Vanvasmin Sampratam Loke Gunavan Kasyavirivan. A personification of Dharma, embodiment of Dharma, has already been incarnated. He has taken incarnation in Ayodhya. Maharshis already told Bhavishyatwani. So he was in love with Ramanama. And the definition of Ramanama, when it came in person, he fell in love with Rama. He didn't want to see anybody else. Just like even now also. To this day, there are many people who say, I won't go to any other temple other than Vaduvu Rama. People say. They are so much fond of Vaduvu Rama, although he is Archa Vigraha. The Archa Vigraha itself is enough to captivate the mind. That's why you should take children to the temple. So once they see the Divya Mangala, because it is Subhashayam. Subhashayam also, Ramanuja discusses about it. Subhashayam. Archa Vigraha is Subhashayam. Is Shubham, full of auspicion. Just you see all your sins are washed. You see the photo of Rama, Vaduvu Rama, your sins are washed away. Subham and Ashrayam. And you can always surrender there. You can offer Sharanagati there. To the Archa Vigraha, our own Saligrama Perumal, or Divyadesha Perumal. In fact, our Acharyas used to take the Jivatma or the Mumukshu to Ranganatha temple or Kanchipuram Deva Perumal temple, and then they used to perform Bharanyasam at the lotus feet of the Archa Vigraha earlier. Nowadays they do in front of the Saligrama, or in Matham you say Malola Lakshmi Nrisimha, and in Andanashram we have Venugopalan and Saligramas. Acharya performs on her behalf. In Parakanavalam, they perform at the lotus feet of Lakshmi Griva. There are instances where our acharyas have performed their own Bharanyasam at the lotus feet of Ranganatha or Varadaraja or Raman. So you can find in one of the Tena Shri Raghupungavangri Yugale Nyasta Atma Rakshabaram Srimatsi Nidhi Yogi Vadya Karuna Labdabcha Chakrankanam Vande Shanti Viratti Purna Managam Sri Ranganatham. There was Randavan Paramamsa Pariviraj 10 Parayandavan. She performed his pranamam at his Bharanyasam, the lotus feet of Rama, of course through the Acharya. So his Acharya performed Bharanyasam of Temparyandavan at the lotus feet of Vodu Rama. Tena Shri Raghupungavangri Yugale Nyasta Atma Rakshabharam. So Srimad Devatunetu Charana Sarajije Tena Datmatubharam. One Acharya performed the lotus feet through the Acharya at the lotus feet of Devanatha. Devadinetuhu Charana Sarajije Tena Dattatma Bharam. Like that you will find in Taniyan. Taniyan itself is here. There is evidence where at the lotus feet of which Chacha Vigraha, through which Acharya? Through Akko Randavan, he performed the Prapatti at the lotus feet of Rama. Like that you get Taniyans, right? So, Ranagati is very simple and extraordinary Vaishnava dharma prescribed in the Vedas, not that we invented something. Then why was it not popularized? Earlier it lost. Sakale neha makata yogo nashta param tapaha. Krishna says, this Bhagavad Gita is not new. I am telling you, this has been coming from ages, from millions of years. People have been telling this, people are preaching. It was lost. Evam parampara praptam imam rajarshayo viduhu. Don't think I have invented something new. Vivaswan manave praha manurikshva kavai bhavit. The sun, Surya Narayana taught this to Manu taught this to Ikshvak, etc. It came. And in the process, I just got, lost. Almost lost. Only few Maharshis knew. Now I made this public again. Even our Sri Vaishnava Sampradaya also started from Perumal, and in between it became very thin. And then it became very thick and solidified when Ramanuja himself, Adishesha himself, incarnated on this earth 1000 years ago, and when Perumal himself incarnated as Swami Desika 750 years ago. So it's not that the Sampradaya was invented new. It was there. In fact, Vedanta Desika gives an argument, assuming that this Sampradaya is new. Assume that, according to your theories, he was blasting the other Sampradayas. So what? Even if it is so, assuming that Ramanujas formed a new Visishtadvaita Tattva, so what? What is your aim? To reach Perumal at the easiest and the earliest. So catch hold of his lotus feet and follow the Sampradaya. So what? We say it is authentic because it has been derived from the Vedas. And it has been given in this form, in this technology to you. Accept this and then go back to Vaikuntha. Then what's your Navinam Tadapikim? It says in Yatirasa. Some people argue, some idiots argue that Ramana Sampradaya is new. Even if it is new, so what? It is connected to Perumal, it is connected to Vedas. It was lost. And then he discovered it. The discovery is not invention. Invention is different. Right? Invention is something, finding something new. Discovery is that which was hidden and it has been brought out to the world. So Ramanuja discovered and popularized Sri Vaishnavism, which was lost after Nathamani. It was lost almost for many years, hundreds of years. The Nathamani is almost a Prabhupada Parega. Then Alavandar had different purpose to fulfill. It was left to Ramanuja. And he also was Jagadacharya. And his avatara was predicted in the Puranas, the Bhavishit Purana itself. Ananta Pratamam Rupam Didi Yasya Lakshmanam Triteyam Balaramancha Halo Kaschid Bhavishyati or Halo Ramanujaha. Two different versions of these verses. that Adisesha himself incarnated as Lakshmana, Ananta Pratamam Rupam. The first Rupa is Adisesha. It's a Nityasuri. Dvitiyam cha Lakshmanam. Because Adisesha, Sesha means Seshan, means a servant. One who is always accepts, finds pleasure in doing service to the master, to the spiritual master, that is Acharya or Perumal. So by our constitutional nature of our Jivatma, that we Jivas, and by default or by nature, we are all dasas only. We cannot become Yajamanas or bosses, right? We are by nature servants. How? We have to obey something. I already told, we have to obey the laws. Like we are subjected to natural laws, for example. I drink a lot of water, then I have to answer nature call. So I am bound by the natural law. And I cannot do that in any place. So the government comes in there, I am bound by the government laws, state laws, so many things. For such a trivial matter, it may look trivial, but for that also you don't have freedom, right? You can't eat anywhere as you wish. There are places where you have to eat. Shastras also say prohibit you. The Shastra prohibit us from eating prasadam at any place. And you can't sit in latrine. You can't say God is everywhere. Those people give an argument that Perumal is everywhere. So what if I eat in a hotel, or if I eat in a chaurasta? What if I go on eating, going on the road? Now science has proved it's all unhygienic, and due to which you get virus. So don't eat any outside food. Don't eat unhygienic food. Prepare your own food. Wash your hands continuously with a sanitizer. Science says otherwise. Otherwise, death, direct death. Corona comes, there is no medicine. So Shastras also, they love us so much that they say, don't do this, don't do this, don't do this. Only because they love us. As simple as that. So we give instructions, so many instructions to our children from dawn to dusk because we love them. We don't give the instruction to neighbors' children. We give instructions to our own people, whom we love the most. We tell them, don't do like this, don't go like this, don't take this flight, don't go to that country. Take all these precautions. Why? Because we love them. So Anantaha finds always pleasure in doing service. So we also find pleasure, right? That's why we are here. We do some small service, we give one flower to the Perumal. And you can know that Thiruvaradhana Perumal is happy with you, seeing his face. Otherwise, next day you won't offer flower, as simple as that. There is some pleasure derived. In fact, that is also wrong. What is wrong? I find pleasure, and that's why I'm doing Thiruvaradhana. I find pleasure, that's why I'm doing Sandhyavandanam. I find pleasure, that's why I'm going to the temple. I'm so happy, I get lots of peace of mind by joining the satsang and then hearing the lectures. That is also a selfish motive. Then what should be the motive? Paramay Kanti is one who does everything for the pleasure of the Perumal. I am doing Sandhyavandanam because he is happy. My happiness is not important there. Perumal is happy. Automatically, if Perumal is happy, we become happy because we are part and parcel of Perumal. Mamayavam so jiva loke jiva bhuta sanatana. Perumal says that. Jiva is my amsa, he is part and parcel. He is my part and parcel. So naturally, when Perumal is happy, we become happy. The best way to make the whole world happy is to make Perumal happy. So we don't say Madhava Seva is Manava Seva is Madhava Seva, or Nara Seva is Narayana Seva. We don't say. We say reverse. Narayana Seva is Nara Seva. You do one Archana and say Loka Samasta Sikino Bhavanta, that is equal to building thousands of hospitals or giving thousands of eye donations or blood donations. In fact, these donations are prohibited by Shastras, giving eye donation. Now, suppose we give, after our death, eye is given to somebody and that fellow watches blue movie, you will get the sin. You are giving blood to a person who is in need and that fellow rapes somebody, you get that sin. Or that fellow kills somebody. We are also part and parcel because otherwise you would have died a natural death and you saved him by giving the blood. I don't mean that you did not save him or something. You should understand why Shastra prohibit. Why can't we give our organs? So we are not the owner of your organ. How can you give? And moreover, our organ might be having poison. Even science cannot detect it. And you are poisoning somebody else's life by giving our organ. So pledging our organ. etc., is against the Shastras. The whole body has to be returned to Agni Bhagavan. It should be imperfect. When you give dana to somebody, it should be first class, right? I want to present a cell to somebody, my cell. It should be a new cell without any repair. It should be perfect. If the audio is gone, video is gone, then the memory doesn't work, RAM doesn't function. Such a cell, if I give it to somebody, then it's a sin. So patram, it should be satpatram as well as it should be perfect. I can't give a second-hand cell phone as a dana to somebody. That's not a dana. It's a rajasic. It is a dana. It's a rajasic dana. Of course, it's working. Some functions doesn't work. So sometimes there is a time delay in getting SMS or something like that. Then I give it to somebody. Then it's also rajasic, right? It's not. You should give for perfect 100%. When we purchase a agarbatti to Perumal, it should be a first-class agarbatti. Maybe it could be even $1 for one stick. Fine. He has given us money. Doesn't matter. So when you go for garlands, then purchase for 1,000 rupees garland or 100 rupee garland to Perumal. And it should be good. It should be perfect. So the more we show that is the way we show our love to Perumal. So we are all by nature, we are all Seshas. Perumal is the only Seshi. Seshi is the boss and Sesha is the servant. Always. We think sometimes I am a CEO of this company, I can direct this company, and there are some 1,000 people under me. I am the boss. Right? But even then we are not the boss. We are bound by the rules and regulations of the company. You can't say that I am a owner of this company. I own this automobile company. I have invented this company. So I will not follow any rules. You have to follow the government rules. Otherwise, ED will chase you. So many boards are there, right? Enforcement Directorate, Economics Offences Wing, CID, CBS, so many like that. Even Federal Bureau, everybody, they have federal laws. So you can't say that I am the owner of the company. I am not bound by any rules. No, you are bound. Otherwise, you'll be jailed. Just because you are the owner, even in spite of being the fact that you are the owner of the company and you're given job to lakhs of people, doesn't matter. You'll be jailed because you are not following the state laws, federal laws. So anywhere, the law will chase us. We are bound to follow these rules and regulations, but we don't understand, we don't realize that we are slaves of man-made laws only. Forget about divine laws. So why can't we follow the divine laws, which is meant only for the benefit of the soul and the body together? The body, the soul, the mind, manasa, vacha, karmana, to purify us. So Shastras are given so many rules and regulations. The more we follow strictly all the rules and regulations, the more we get benefit. As simple as that. The more you follow all the rules of the company gives you bonus, company places in high position, gives you promotion, right? In fact, the companies want you to consider the company itself of a family. It should be your first wife. That's what they watch. And in India also, the mentality is there. They reward those people who stay more in the company rather than there. In fact, you should be like a sannyasi. You should come 1 hour before the start of the company and go 1 hour later. And if you are a senior, what do you say? You can't take leave. They say, you are a senior, how can you take leave? Now when you are juniors, you are only now junior, how can you take leave? Anyway, they don't want to give you leave. That is a sadistic pleasure, right? So we are bound by rules. Can't say I am a free person, I am a millionaire, I am a billionaire, I can do whatever I want. No, you may be anybody, but you are bound by state laws. And forget about, suppose he is the president of a country and they write a rule that the Queen is above all the rules. They are right in the British Constitution, right? Queen is above all the rules and you can't arrest a queen and put her behind the bars. In some countries, you can't arrest the president. You can't impeach. In India, at least you can impeach in the parliament. You can't jail. There are some constitutions written like that. In that case, even in that case, the queen is bound by natural laws, right? So she can't go against nature. She has to obey the nature. And when there is winter, right, she has to put a winter mantle, winter coat. She can't say, I am a queen, I won't put. It's my will. You will die. So you are subject to the natural laws. So everywhere, everybody is a slave in one way or the other. A billionaire is a white collar slave, and a beggar is a third class slave. That's all. Both are slaves. Both are bound by the rules of the government, the rules of state laws, rules of the nature, divine laws also. Adhyatmika, Adibodhika, Adidevika, Dukkha Vignigandarvitastam. Layamarthanasandhanena sagasadevam bhakta yavacharirapatam matreva shrirange sukamasva. Everything is mentioned by Ramanuja. So, everyone has to surrender because no one is a master here. Even in Vaikuntha also, we will be we enjoy by serving Dharma. Just like a mother loves and enjoys in serving the child. A mother follows so many rules and regulations, so many. And to keep ourselves hygiene, she'll wash her hands, she'll wash her legs, and take bath, and so that the child doesn't get affected. So many rules which are not even written in the books, apart from the rules given by the doctor. You should hold the child like this. You should not place the child like this. You should make the child walk like this. So many rules. In this month, you should give this type of vaccination. She follows because she loves the child. As simple as that. So the only way we show our love to Perumal is following very strictly all the rules and regulations laid down by Perumal through the Shastras. Shasanat iti Shastra. A Shastra Vachya clearly proves that he loves Perumal and he enjoys also. The more we subject ourselves to the rules and regulations, the more we enjoy. No rule, we don't enjoy. There is no rule in a game, cricket or tennis, then you don't enjoy the game. Nobody will go and see Wimbledon if the rules are floated. They won't see nonsense. I won't see. Or they don't follow rules. I won't go to Wimbledon. Nobody will go. They follow all the rules and regulations, then he is a champion. Who is a champion? One who wins following all the rules and regulations very strictly. He is a champion. So we should become champions, following all the rules and regulations, only to please the Lord. And what should we do for that? We should do Sharanagati, that's all. It's extra beautiful Vaishnava Dharma. It's revealed to us through our Acharyas, which is already in the Vedas. And Sharanagati, the whole result for one who has lost all hopes of progression. I cannot progress in this world. No Sharanagati, for you only Sharanagati. I am well off physically, mentally, financially. Then also we should do Sharanagati to taste the divine Ananda, the divine happiness. It's not, which cannot be obtained just like that, unless we surrender. So at some point of time, when when we reflect back in our life, what have I achieved? So many years have passed, what did I do? Then when we reflect, then we will know that we haven't achieved. But I have done Sharanagati. Okay, at least my seat is reserved in my country. By that I didn't have faith when I did. That's okay, that's fine. The Perumal will take care. Perumal will see that you get 100% faith at least at the time of death and then take you back. Because Aham Smarami, that is the word given by Perumal, right? You surrender when you are physically and mentally fit. Then I will remember you at the time of your death. Tadastam Riyamananta Kashtapadana Sannibam Aham Smarami Madbhaktam Nayami Paramam Gati. And not only that, I remember you at the time of death, I will catch hold of your hand and take to Vaikuntha. I will take you to Vaikuntha. It's my promise. Varaha Perumal says this. Then also we may not have faith in that. Not because we are bound by natural laws, we are bound by the law of karma. So it's very difficult, extremely difficult to get faith in all these matters related to bhakti or sharanagati or sampradaya or acharya. So That's why satsanga. Satsangatve nisangatvam. Then only the moment we get attached to good people, bad things will leave us automatically. Shankaracharya says, nisangatve nirmohatvam. Then the confusion, no confusions will vanish. Nirmohatve nishala. Then you know definitely what is your goal. My goal is to reach Vaikuntha and do eternal service. எற்றைக்கும் ஏழே பிறவிக்கும் உந்தன்னோடு உற்றோமேயாவோம் உனக்கே நாம் ஆட்செய்வோம். That is the essence of Tiruppavi. The Sara, Vedam அனைத்துக்கும் வித். The essence of Vedas is given by Bhagavati Gita. Buddha has given that very clearly, right? Eternal service of the lotus feet of the Lord. So that is our aim. So we will be very clear of our aim. Fine, this body is temporary. What all I have earned, what I am going to earn, everything I have to leave here and go. So nothing, not a single coin is going to come with me. Nischala Tattvam. This everybody know, but they don't realize. Knowing is different from realization. Everybody knows using the cell phone beyond a certain time is dangerous. Beyond a certain time or beyond a certain intensity, beyond certain brightness or contrast, everything, right? Comfort level. In spite, people get addicted. So knowing is different from realization. So Nischala Tattve, you will realize what is the aim of life. What am I supposed to do? Why I have come into this world? What am I supposed to do? What am I doing? I am being hankering for material pleasures all these years. Will this bungalow stay with me? Will this car stay with me when I die? Someday I have to leave this and go. However, we decorate the train in which we move or the flight in which we move. Finally, we have to get out when the destination comes, right? You can't tell the company owner, no, I have decorated this flight. I can't tell Indian Railways, I have decorated my coach, this A1 coach, so beautiful, I will not get on. We can't, we have to neck it out, otherwise. Yama will come and neck us out. But Yama himself says, I'm afraid of the Vaishnavas. I'm afraid if somebody has a Urdu Pundram, I will run away. Don't go near them. They are all our bosses. They are our masters. We are not their masters. Vishnu Purana says, Harihara Madhusudana Prapannan. Parkala Swami says beautifully. Madhusudana is the word used there, Vishnu Purana. Don't go near Madhusudana Prapanna. Those who have done Bharanyasam under the lotus feet of Madhusudana. Madhusudana means I give. Prabhuraham Anjandranam Navaishnavanam. So I am the boss of everyone, but not the Vaishnavas. This is there in the Vishnu Purana. Prabhuraham Anjandranam Navaishnavanam. If anybody has got even Shiva Vaishnava tilak, that is why we should put very nice tilak, at least going to sleep. They will not be afraid. Apply it to children, and you also apply. You won't get bad dreams. You won't get night falls. You won't get brahmachari, indriyas kalitam. So these are all the common problems for the youth, right? Semen ejaculation, night falls, and then getting bad dreams, getting erotic dreams. Everything will vanish. Just put a Tirumana. That is the mentioned. Those are all mentioned. The Thiruman, what you, if you apply Thiruman, what will happen? What is the use of applying this? In various Puranas it is given. Urdhva Pundra, not just a Thiruman. Urdhva Pundra Dharanam. Urdhva means that which will take you to the topmost position. It is called Urdhva Pundra Dharanam. And that Urdhva Pundram is made of mud. It's not an ordinary thing. This mud, the soil in which you were born, soil is so powerful, very pure. Yes, it is said that Mritika is very pure. Mritika, the mud is very pure and purifies us. Actually, that's why we say, we don't say Thiruman. We say Thiruman Kappu, we say, right? Kappu means Raksha, that which protects us from bad dreams, from bad thoughts, evil thoughts. That's the reason why we Thiruman Kappu. Kappu means it protects us. It's Urdhva Pundram. Urdhva means that which is drawn from bottom to top. It's called Urdhva Pundram. There is another Pundram, Tiryak. Tiryak Pundram means one horizontally. Shiva Bhakta general practice. So you stay where you are. Urdhva Pundram will take you from here to Vaikuntha. And then some people like Tilakam, Till all you know, Till is nothing. But even Hindi also, I think it is Till. Hindi, Marathi, they say Till. Tilam in Sanskrit word is sesame seed, yield. In that form, that is called Tilak. And then Vartulam, circular one dot, generally the circular dot is practiced by Shakti devotees to give, or they apply sandal or kumkum or vermin, etc. Ardha Chandram is the half, a crescent. A semicircular is generally practiced by the kings. These are all mentioned in the scriptures, very different types of. Swami Deshikan has done extensive research, right from what Thiruman we should apply, how we should apply, what should be the dimension of the Thiruman Chichanam, why we should apply, why it is called Urdhva Pundram, because it elevates you from a lower level to higher level. Anything, physically, materially. So he says it is symbolism of auspiciousness. Anybody who says our Thiruman Chichanam, he will get a punya. And when we do Sandhya Vandanam or when we do some japam or some chanting, wearing Dwadasa Urdhva Pundra, 12 Urdhva Pundras, then we get 1,000 times effect. And when we apply Thiruman, somebody sees our Thiruman through video, through the picture, he also gets the benefits of seeing Sriman Narayana, because Thiruman Chichanam is none other than Sriman Narayana. It's also in the form of something like an Archa Vigraha. Right? Vedas also say that the effects of devils, evil spirits, is washed away, destroyed, is demolished just by applying the Thiruman. No evil force can enter into the house where there is. That's why you say they apply a Thiruman cup at the entrance of the door, right? Puranas say that it removes all the ill effects of devils. Apagata, Asura, when we do Tarpanam, even before doing Tiruvardhanam, we ring the bell. There is a mantra for that. That mantra, it is very clearly mentions that Pishachas, the devils, etc., they run away just at the hearing of the sound bell. Vedanta Deshika is incarnates the bell, right? So all the Durmatas, all the destructive sampradayas, they ran away just at the ringing of just at the advent of Swami Deshika. So all the Asuras, Rakshasas, Pishachas, they'll be looking for an opportunity to stop anything auspicious, even Tarpanam also. There is this Apagata, Asuraha, Raksha, Gumchi, Pishacha. All the Asuras, Pishacha, they will try to stop your Tarpanam or Shraddham. Many Shraddhams have been stopped by Kaliga in the form of Corona, right? Just at the smallest. People took the smallest excuse and then stopped all the Shraddha. They said, just take this Dakshina and just run away. So that's what is happening. This is the effect of Asuras. Asuras take over the temple. Asuras have taken over the temple. So they will eat all the lands. Many case will go on in the Supreme Court. You should not, you should return. Government, if they will return, they go on eating. So Asuraha, Raksha, Gumshi, Asuras are there in the human form. In fact, Asuras will be more beautiful. Don't think Asuras will be ugly. Asuras will be more handsome. Looking like heroes, film heroes, right? You know what film heroes are doing now, right? Running the entire drug cartel and killing lakhs of youth through drugs. So Asuras. The Asura finds pleasure in destroying others' family, destroying others, putting a very handsome form. Whether you know or not, I heard from Uttaramir Viragachas, he was the principal once in Maduradhagam Patisala. He said in the Upanishad that Shishupala was very handsome. He was Mr. Handsome. Of course, in that competition, Krishna didn't go because Krishna is established Mr. Universe. So, Shishupala was selected as Mr. Universe. Very, very, very handsome. And Rukmi, that's why Rukmi wanted to give his most beautiful sister to Shishupala. Shishupala was a most handsome person, but full of vices, full of all drugs, all drug abuse, drunkard, rowdy, all those, what all is to be, definition of a devilish character, all those devilish qualities were in it. And That is the reason why Rukmini loved Krishna, because Shritva Gunani, Krishna is full of virtues, full of dharma. That's why she loved. She didn't even see Krishna. So the greatness of Rukmini is, although she knew that Shishupala was Mr. Universe and the most handsome person on the planet Earth, she loved Krishna because of his qualities. Krishtva Gunan Bhavana Sundara. Same thing, same case with Ravana. Ravana was more handsome than Manmata. Valmiki says this. Hanuman himself says, even hundreds of Manmatas cannot equal this fellow. So handsome. And thousands of ladies whom Hanuman saw in the Antapura, in the royal mansion of Ravana, they all loved him and then they married him. So he was so handsome. The Naga, Yaksha, Gandharva, Kanya, Devaloka Kanyas, the damsels from the heaven, they loved him and then they married him. Such a person, right? The greatness of chastity of Sita lies in rejecting even such a person, considering him as a blade of grass. Trinamantarata Kritva. That is the greatness of Pativrata, the greatness of Sita. That is Pativrata. That is why we are talking about Chitayaha Charitam Mahate. He wanted to give so many things. All three worlds I'll give. I am the boss of three worlds. He married me. He never even saw. All your Aishwarya, all your beauty, all your power is just a blade of grass for me. That is the greatness of Sita. That is Pativrata. And that's why we are talking of Ramayana to this. And Ramayana will live. Valmiki says it will live as long as the Achandra Tarartha, the sun and the moon, exist on the earth. Simply because that is the chastity. Rama gave the best example of chastity. He could have married somebody else. His father married so many people. Nothing wrong for a Kshatriya to marry. It's not wrong also. To make peace. In those days, they used to marry. When somebody comes in battle, challenges us, then we give a daughter and make him a relative. To save the subject, in order to protect the killing of, in order to save the country in which lakhs of people would be butchered or killed, we make peace, we make friendship by marrying. Then Mamalar, Maplay, then there is no fight. Rama could have married anybody. And it is Dharma also, Kshatriya Dharma, but he never. He practiced chastity more than even Sita. Shurpanakha came in the form of the most beautiful lady, according to Kamban. She was like a Devaloka damsel. She was looking like Sita, equal to Sita in beauty. Even then Rama rejected her. That is the chastity of Rama. Chastity is not only for women. Pativrata means he is also saying that we also should be Patni Vratas. We also should not. It's also equally applicable to males, right? Pativratan. So similarly, we should have a chastity. Even if other devatas who are created by Perumal, even if they appear as beautiful as Perumal, obviously Perumal's creation will be like Perumal. To see a beautiful girl or beautiful handsome boy, you should admire at the handwork of Brahma. And you should admire at the handwork of Perumal. Whatever is best in anybody is only due to the presence of Perumal, right? Otherwise, it couldn't be possible. So we should go up to that level. You see a beautiful rose, then we admire the beauty of the rose, the beauty of the Creator, Perumal. Then we should offer it to him. Patram Papam Palam Toyam. It should belong to him only. So if anything attracts, even this world, Brahmayan Sarvabhutyapi, a beautiful world, beautiful organization, a beautiful place. People go, right? Spend lakhs of rupees and to see a Grand Canyon or see the Hanging Gardens or one of the wonders of you see the Niagara Falls. Then that should lead to Perumal. And how beautiful would he be if this is so beautiful? If the creation is so beautiful, how beautiful should be, how handsome should be the Creator? We admire the creation, a cell phone. What a beautiful creation! So much of memory, so many megabytes, so many megabits per second. It receives signal and then processes. So in nanoseconds, right? Everything, all the operations go on. What should be the brain of the scientists who created this, or the team of scientists, research scholars. Just the whole world is in your hand. Beautiful concept. But the whole universe is in the hands of Perumal. That we don't extend that logic. The whole universe is, we are not dolls in the hands of Perumal. We can create the world. We have created the internet. We have created the internet, right? The whole world, the news is in our hand. But this is only for this planet. Maybe in future we may get a cell phone which will give you details about Mars or Neptune or Saturn, whatever it is. Could be possible. Because you are going the space of Asuras. We become Asuras, right? But Perumal has another phone in his hand, where the whole galaxies, whole the planet will be in his hands, in his Sankalpa. So Achintya, so you can't even, somebody asked Ramanuja, what is Vaikuntha like that? Come on, you tell. Sanaka Vidhi Shiva Dibirapi Achintya Swabhava Aishwaryaihi. The most intelligent of all the devatas, most brilliant of all of them, Sanakadiks, Sanaka Sanandana, Sanaka Sanatjidata, who are always brahmacharis, even they cannot even think of the Aishwarya of Vaikuntha. Sanaka Vidhi, Brahma is supposed to chant all four Vedas simultaneously through his four faces. He also cannot even think of what Vaikuntha would be. Shiva, Dibirapi, even Shiva is supposed to be in charge of Jnana. He also cannot even imagine the dimensions of Vaikuntha. You cannot imagine what is the length and breadth of Vaikuntha, because he has not gone there. They have not gone. They are still doing penance. But we can know even before they know, because we will reach there early. Because we are Sharanagatas. They will come later. They will come slow, because they are swimming on their strength. We are not swimming on their strength. We have caught a ship of Acharya and then we'll cross the ocean. Sanaka Vidhi Shiva Dibirapi Achintya Swabhava Aishwarya. If they cannot even think of Vaikuntha, so what will know about Perumal? That is infinite. And this cell phone is infinite small. Just like a virus for us. Now you can't see even, virus is not even visible to our naked eyes, right? We need special electron microscope to locate the virus or bacteria. Just a physical organism, living organism, which is causing havoc in the form of a pandemic, you can't even see with his eyes. See what a wonderful creation. And that which cannot be seen, and which is a physical quantity, which can be seen by a powerful electron microscope, if it can destroy the people, then destroy the world. What to speak of chemical warfare, so many things we talk about. So just think of the power of Perumal. So he is infinite. We are infinite. And such an infinite Perumal, with all paraphernalia, which is all Jnana, Bala, Aishwarya, Veera, Sakta, just comes and sits here on our forehead, just because we applied Tilak. Because this attracts. It's a Vashikaranam. Vashīkarana Churnam. In Kerala, even though they follow this Malayalam Antirika Mantra, they follow Atharvedas. They do some Churna, then they can mesmerize. Some of the gurus, so-called gurus, they have mesmerizing power. It's also an art. One of the 64 arts is Vashīkarana. And if Vashīkarana means you mesmerize somebody into your fold, and they become irresistible straight away. Whatever you say, they will listen to you. They become your slaves, in fact. You find so many spiritual gurus in India, right? There was one person called Asaram Bhatu. He has lots of followers even now, although he's in jail. There is another person, Dera Sach Sapi. Yesterday, there's a judgment, that life imprisonment, because he raped so many people. Why? Apasampradaya. Very simple. They are very powerful communicators, powerful reach. Their language is so flowery, people become disabled the moment they listen to lecture. The communication skills itself doesn't make you qualified to become an acharya. So you may be the best communicator, you may be the best personality development trainer, doesn't mean that you become an acharya. There are qualifications for acharya. Right? Our acharyas do not use bombastic words or flowery words. They just present Vedas as it is straight away. There's no mesmerism. Straight away, this is the fact. You come out of love, out of, causeless mercy. So it's this Urdu. I'm just telling about this Urdu Pandra. This yellow one is none other than Mahalakshmi Shri, yellow turmeric powder. Right? Turmeric is considered to be auspicious. The ladies apply turmeric. Everything, even in the cooking also you apply turmeric, right? Except on Shraddha days is prohibited. All other days auspicious you apply. You put turmeric in some form. Generally you put manjal in one form or the other. And the Sri Vaishnava should apply only this mainly, Thiruman and Sichurna. And women apply slightly like a crescent, the Thiruman, and then Sichurnam upward. Generally they apply red, they don't apply yellow, all the bit are the same. And even children can wear this Urdhva, no restriction. It's a Raksha. Whether you know or not, that Srimad Bhagavatam very clearly says, when there was Putana Samhara, immediately after Putana was killed, everybody was scared. She came as like a beautiful lady, and then suddenly, within a second, there was a loud roar, and she died. And then a huge body, they had to cut it into pieces and then take away the body from the house of Nanda. They were those scared. And all the Gopas said there is some drishti for the child. Drishti dosham should go. So you do Shanti. And so you apply tilak, they say. You apply Urdhva Punda to Perumal. So they took Gomayam, the cow dung paste, fresh cow dung paste, and then they applied as Thirumanchi Charnam on his forehead, Krishna's forehead. So Krishna's Thirumanchi Charnam protected Krishna himself. Go Pucha Brahmanadibi. Then they took the Pucham, the tail of the go, that is Pashu, and then Lakshmi Kataksham. So they made pradakshina for that child with the tail, so that no other evil effect will fall on Krishna. That is prema. That is prema dasha. There is no shastra there. So Thiruman is also a Raksha for him. Of course, he wears this in Archa Vigram because we want him to wear. That's all. Right? His own lotus feet, why should he wear? It's only for as an ornament. That's all. Thiruman Kapu. It's not a kapu for him. It's an ornament because we love it. That's all. As simple as that. And it's a purification process also. It purifies our body, Thiruman, according to Brahmaratra Samhita. It's a life God, life-saving God. Thiruman. It removes evil thoughts also. Applying Thiruman every day removes evil thoughts. At least if you are ashamed to apply Thiruman and go outside, at least we are in the house while sleeping, at least. And this Vamana Purana, it brings all auspicious thoughts, remove evil thoughts. It gives devotion, slowly improves our devotion, slowly improves our devotional service. And it is also one sort of prayashittam also, and removes the sin of seeing a person who is an astika, according to Brahmaratra. It says from the hill, once a person who wears Thiruman, he cannot go to hell at all, according to Naradiya Purana. And when you apply Thiruman Chicharna, the entire generation of friends and relatives, they are also protected. And it will influence them, according to Brahmanda Purana. So many things are there. Sand is applied generally, clay is applied, right? And sandal paste also is applied. Generally, it is mentioned white color is prescribed. So why I am telling this is a Raksha. For not only for the body, for the soul. Similarly, Bharanyasam is a Raksha for the soul. It's like Bharanyasam like a vaccine from protecting us, physical, mental, spiritual illness. So why not take a vaccine? Somebody says take Covaxin and Covishield, we take Sputnik, etc. Although it's not proved that it will protect you from corona. Nobody has proved so far that this vaccine would cure you of corona. But it is here. People have faith and it's working. In India, it's working like a miracle drug, something like a penicillin. And they are happy. Going on. So, Sudama, we can't. So it's Bharanyasam can be applied as a vaccine. So what's the problem? It will protect us from all illness, physical, mental and spiritual. So I'll stop up to this point in giving. I'm still in the introductions for the Paranyasam, and we'll deal with more aspects of finer aspects of Paranyasam later. So today question answer session, I give chance. We'll have half an hour question answer session. Any questions, please?
Namaskaram, Adiye, Sumati from Coimbatore.
Yeah.
Just one
Sudarshana.
doubt. What is the
Sudarshana.
Sudarshana? Yes,
Yeah.
Sudarshana.
Mm.
So what is the Tatparyam of doing Samacharanam before Baranyasam? Why can't somebody take Baranyasam directly?
Why not? Why not? Even they perform Paranyasam to children also. Paranyasam is independent of the Samachanam. Samachanam is not requisite that she should be a Vaishnava. Pashur Pakshur Manushya Yecha Vaishnava Samshaya. Vedanta quotes this. Even an animal, even a cow, even a tree. In fact, Devanarula Mahishingar, whenever he used to go to Sancharam, 43rd year of Ahobiramat, he went up to Badrinath. On the way back at Naimisharanyam, he left his mortal body and left this planet to Vaikuntha. So he performed Baranyasam to a banyan tree because it gave shelter to all our, Sishyas, and we stayed here for 2-3 days. He was so full of karuna that he performed Baranyasam on the tree. And then so when you can perform to Kaka, what about Kakasura in the Ramayana? Jayanta came in the form of a crow. Perumal accepted it, Sharanagati. Anybody can do Sharanagati. So it need not be Vaishnava. But why Panchasamskaram? It's a separate topic. We can talk on that separated. Just like I am talking this topic, Paranyasam, we can have a 5-day session for Samashranam. Samashranam is making you qualify to become a Vaishnava for some Vedic rites. Even now, when you get married, unless a lady, especially, if you don't get Samashranam done, you will not be allowed into the kitchen. Similarly, if males do not get Samashranam done, they cannot do certain Vedic kriyas like Homa, Yaga, Yajna, Archana, Archaka, or cooking also. So these are the requisites. This is something concerned with Vedika. Paranyasam, anybody can do, of any age, right from childhood. We will deal more in detail with Panchasamskaram. It's called Baranya. Actually, Samachranam is Pancha. There are 5 samskaras. In detail, we take it in some other week. So both are independent.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Any other question?
நாலு வேதத்திலையும் பிரபத்தி பத்தி சொல்லியிருக்கா?
அடியே எல்லா வேதத்தையும் சொல்லிருக்கு. 4 வேதத்தையும் சொல்லியிருக்கு. 4 வேதத்திலும் சொல்லியிருக்கு. அதாவது இன்ஃபேக்ட் இது இருக்கு, ஜிதந்தே ஸ்தோத்திரம்னு ஒரு ஸ்தோத்திரம். தெர் இஸ் எ ஸ்தோத்திரம் கால்ட் ஜிதந்தே. That is chanted only in Parakalamati every day in Satyamarai. Jidante Pundarikaksha, Jidante Vishwabhavana. So in that, it's full of Sharanagati. And this Jitante, our Paravakuti Andavan, Sri Periyandavan, Gopaladeshka Mahadeshkan, Paramhamsa Parivrajacharya, he said that the Jitante, there are 6 types of Jitante in all the Vedas. So it looks in the form of a stotram, but it is in all the 4 Vedas. So it is full of Sharanagati only. So it is mentioned in all the 4 Vedas. Sharanagati is mentioned in all 4 Vedas. Vedanta is quotes left and right. So it is there. Yes, next question. Any other doubts?
சுவாமி அடியேன் ஜெயஸ்ரீ தேசிகன் பேசுறேன்.
சொல்லுங்கம்மா.
இந்த இது திருமண ஸ்ரீச்சரம் விட்டுக்கணும் இல்லையா, அது குழந்தைகளுக்கு இப்போ 2 பேர குழந்தைகள் இருக்கா, அவளுக்கு மஞ்சள் இடலாமா, ரெட்டு தான் எடுத்துக்கணும் அப்படின்னு ஏதாவது?
ரெண்டுமே வேலை.
ரெண்டுமே
it has become a practice that generally in the Vadakali Sampradayam, when there is a red Tirumachichanam, it is red, they understand there is some சுபமான ஆசௌச்சம். இந்த குழந்தைக்கு எந்த பிறந்தால் அதுக்காக ஒரு அடையாளம் மாதிரி அப்படின்னு வச்சுட்டான். ஸோ எதுவுமே ரெண்டுமே இடலாம். ஹரித்ரா சூர்ணமுத்தம்னு பிரமாணம். ஹரித்ரா சூர்ணம் மீன்ஸ் மஞ்சள். மஞ்சள் சம்மந்தம் இருக்கா, ரெட் எடுக்கலாம், ஒன்றும் தப்பே கிடையாது. இன்ஃபேக்ட் பரகால மடத்துல எல்லாம் இப்போ அபிநவ ரங்கநாதர் வரைக்கும் இந்த யூஸ் ஒன்லி ரெட் ஒன்லி. இப்போ கூட பரகால மட சிஷ்யா நிறைய பேர் ரெட்டு தான் யூஸ் பண்றேன். ஸோ ஒன்றும் தப்பு கிடையாது, இடலாம். ரெட்டும் இடலாம், எல்லோவும் இடலாம், தப்பு கிடையாது. Any other question? Next question.
Bharat here. US
சொல்லுங்க.
வந்து மீதி சம்பிரதாயத்துல எல்லாம் வந்து வேற மார்க்கம், ஞான மார்க்கம், அப்புறம் பக்தி மார்க்கம் அண்ட் யோக மார்க்கம்லாம் வந்து பிரிஸ்கிரைப் பண்றா. ஸோ அதோட அப்ளிகபிலிட்டி வந்து ஐ மீன் நம்ம சம்பிரதாயத்துல இந்த கலியுகத்துல வந்து கஷ்டம் அப்படின்றா. ஸோ அதனால வந்து அது வந்து நம்ம குறைச்சி பேசுற மாதிரியா இல்ல வந்து அதோட இட்ஸ் நாட் அப்ளிகபிள் டு
குறைச்செல்லாம் பேசக்கூடாது, எதுவுமே நம்ம குறைச்சே பேசக்கூடாது. ராமானுஜர் கூட குறைச்சி பேசல. சே we don't condemn or we don't criticize bhakti marga, jnana marga. Bhakti marga simply because we are not eligible for that. See, we are not, it's not possible to practice. For example, you take ISKCON. ISKCON is an offshoot of Gaudiya Math. Gaudiya Math, again they say we are come from Dvaita Sampradaya, that is Madhva. So they say Madhva, Gaudiya, Vaishnava. Now ISKCON is prevalent throughout the world. It's very popular also. They say you have to, unless until at the time of death you don't chant, you don't remember Perumal, there is no mukti. So that is nothing but Bhakti Marga. Bhaktiyatu ananya shakyaha madbhaktim labate para. So we also accept without bhakti you cannot reach Perumal, Bhakti Yoga. But when Arjuna cried, I cannot do Bhakti Yoga, don't cry. Ma suchaha. உனக்கு நான் வேற வழி, சிம்பிளஸ்ட் வழி சொல்றேன், சரணாகதி. வாட் இஸ் தட் சரணாகதி? ஐ கேனாட் டூ பக்தி யோகா, அதான் சரணம். ஐ கேனாட் டூ ஞான யோகா, ஐ கேனாட் டூ கர்ம யோகா. அழு, அது அழகுதான் சரணம். ஸோ ஈஸியஸ்ட் வே. நான் அவளுக்கு ஏன் சொல்லலை அப்படின்னு கேள்வி வரும். நான் யூ ஹேவ் புஷ்டி மார்கா, வி ஹேவ் வல்லபாச்சாரிய சம்பிரதாய, ஸ்ரீநாத்ஜி, அதெல்லாம் ஆத்தென்டிக், அதெல்லாம் ஆத்தென்டிக் வைஷ்ணவ சொல்லலாம். நல்ல ஆச்சாரமாக சுத்தமாக இன்னைக்கும் இருக்கா எல்லாம். தேர் ஆர் பீப்புள் who follow that. And only the descendants of Sri Vallabhacharya. வல்லபாச்சாரியா கையில் பெருமாள் வந்து உட்காந்துட்டாரு கிரியில், கோவர்தனில். ஸ்ரீ கோவர்தன கிரி நாத்ஜி, எவ்வளோ சாதாரண மனுஷன் இல்லை, ரோட்டில் போகிற மனுஷன் கிடையாதுலாம். பரம தபஸ்விகள். வாதிராஜருக்கு ஹைகிரீவன் தினோ பிரசாதத்தை அம்சைவர் தோல் மேல் வந்துட்டு மத சம்பிரதாயம். ராகவேந்திர நிருசிம்மருடைய உபாசகராக இருந்திருக்கார், பிரகலாதன் அவதாரம் சொல்கிறார். அதெல்லாம் நம்ம யாரும் கிரிட்டிசைஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இல்லை. நம்மளுடைய யோக்கியத்துக்கு என்ன அப்படின்னு தெரிஞ்சு இந்த குழந்தைக்கு இது சாப்பிட்டாதான் டைஜஸ்ட் ஆகும் அப்படின்னு கொடுத்தது சுவாமி ராமானுஜர், சுவாமி தேசிகன். அதனால் அவளை மட்டமாக சொல்லலை. அவன் என்ன சொல்லிட்டா, Vallabhacharya said only Vatsalya Bhava is easiest for you. You follow this. What is Vatsalya Bhava? You consider Krishna as your child. Make your heart as a Nanda Bhavan. Natasya Nanda Bhavane. இதெல்லாம் அவள் புதுசாக எதுவுமே சொல்லலை, எல்லாம் நம்ம ஆச்சாரியா சொன்னோம். These acharyas, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Vallabhacharya, they have taken a lot of things, lot of concepts from Ramanuja Sampradaya and Deshika Sampradaya. Deshikan இதான் சொன்னார், Natasya Nanda Bhavane Navani Thanat. 750 years back Deshikan, around 600 years back Vallabhacharya. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu அவரும் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் சேம், சமகாலி, ரெண்டு பேர் கான்டெம்பரரிஸ். ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 600 years ஆயிருக்கு, அவ்வளோதான். 750 years சுவாமி தேசிகன் முன்னால். All are great Sanskrit scholars and great devotees also, who have seen Perumal, who have experienced Perumal. அவெல்லாம் மட்டமான சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஆனால் they have taken this. சொல்கிறது Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, I should be immersed in bhakti in such a way that you keep on crying 24 hours thinking you, taking your name. When I say Hari, tears should flow like a river from my eyes. The body should get horripilation. மயிர் கூச்சல்றமே அது. And I should not be able to chant also. chant அப்படியே கட்டிக்கணும், ஹரின்னு செய்ய. எப்போ வரும் அந்த மாதிரி பொசிஷன் கேட்குறாரு. நயனம் கலதஸ்ருதாரயா வதனம் கத்கதயா கிரா புலக்கைர்நிஜிதம் வபு கதா தவ நாம கிரகணே பவிஷ்யதி. எக்ஸாக்ட்லி அப்படியே எம்பெருமானார் கதா மாமா வர்த்ததை கதா 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 புனசங்கர தங்க ஆளுந்தார் அறிவிக்கிறாரு. அந்த மாதிரி when will I get that position, when I reach that condition, what ஆளவந்தார் said, Ramanuja repeat what Ramanuja says, Deshikan says what Ramanuja Swami Deshikan சொன்னதான் இங்க அதே பாவம் தான். only thing is words are different, that's all. So we can't say that they have copied from us. அதுவும் சொல்லக்கூடாது. அதெல்லாம் ஒரு திவ்ய புருஷர். துக்காராம் மகாராஜ் when was asked by Pandar, they all used to talk to Vittal. தான் ரெக்கார்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு, சும்மா இல்லை. அவர் இந்த இடம் இருக்கு. In fact, you see Namdev Maharaj took the shelter of only Nama. That's why called Namdev. Bhagavan Nama. 24 hours Bhagavan Nama, Bhajana, இதே தான் பண்ணியிருந்தார். And his samadhi is there at the entrance of the temple. That's what he wanted. குலசேகரார் மாதிரி படியாய் கிடந்தும் பவளவாய் காண்பேன். அதே கான்செப்ட் தான், அதே தான் எடுத்துட்டு இருக்காரு. அதே வைஷ்ணவர் இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் ஆயிருக்கணும். அவெல்லாம் மகான்கள் இல்லையா? குலசேகரார் எப்படி ஆசைப்பட்டிருக்காரு. ஸோ நானும் படியா இருக்கணும். Even now he is a step there. He is lying as a step in the temple, in the entrance of the temple. So he wanted to be a step so that devotees can step on him and he can get the dust of the lotus feet of the devotees. So same bhava. அதுவும் பக்தி தான். ஸோ பக்தி காட் பக்தி கல்ட் இதை பிரச்சாரம் பண்ணி சரணாகதி பிரச்சாரம் பண்ணது ராமானுஜர். அதுக்கப்புறம் பின்னால் வந்தவெல்லாம் இசை விஷ்ணு சர்மா அஸ்ஸாம்லாம் அந்த இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ் தான். எம்பெருமானார் தான் இன்ஃப்ளூயன்ஸ். 2 தரம் பாரத பிரதட்சம் பண்ணிருக்கார் சுவாமி எம்பெருமானார். சரித்திரத்தில் இருக்கு. ஐ ஹவ் சீன் இன் ஜம்மு a temple. ஜம்முல கூட அங்கே இது இருக்கா, எம்பெருமானார் இங்கே எழுதியிருந்தாங்க, ப்ரூஃப் இருக்கு. ஸோ தே ஃபாலோ சம் ஆஃப் தி ஆஸ்பெக்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் தெம் ஹாவ் ஸ்ட்ராங் influence. They are strongly influenced by ஸ்ரீ வைஷ்ணவ சம்பிரதாயம். என்னோட கோட்டி அது பெருமையாக சொல்லிக்கலாம். அவளை கெடுத்ததெல்லாம் பண்ணக்கூடாது. ஓகே பண்ணுற எந்த ஜபம் இல்லைன்னா பெருமாளும் அதுவும் சொல்கிறார். நியாபிக்கிரமனா சுஸ்தி பிரத்யவாயோன வித்தியத்தை சொல்பம் அப்பியச தர்மசே திராய். இந்த ஜென்மாவில் சாண்டிங் பண்ணி செத்து போயிட்டான். அவன் கடைசி நேரத்தில் அவனுடைய வீட்டு நாய் ஞாபகம் வந்தது, மனைவி ஞாபகம் வந்தால், குழந்தை வேணுதா, ஃபைன், நோ ப்ராப்ளம். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஜென்மா யூ கண்டினியூ ஃப்ரம் தேர் அப்படின்னு இருக்கார். அதனால் தப்பான இது கிடையாது. நமக்கு எலிஜிபிலிட்டி இதுதான். அதுன்றது எடுத்து அடித்து சொன்னது சுவாமி தேசிகன், வேற ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. தஞ்சா பரகதியை தந்தருள்வோன் வாடியை சரணாகதியை சொல்றதுக்குனே ஒரே அவதாரம் ரிஷசைலேஷ கிருஷிவலம் தினோதி. அது சுவாமி தேசிகன். அது ஸ்பெஷல் தான் நிச்சயமா. சொன்னாலும் சொன்னாலும் சரணாகதி இஸ் யூனிக் விச் இஸ் ஆல்ரெடி பிரசன்ட் த வேதா. ப்ராப்ளம் என்னன்னா நம்மளுக்கே கூட அவளை விட்டுருங்கோ, அவள் சம்பளம் ஃபர்கெட் அபவுட் தட். நமக்கே நம்பிக்கை வரலையே. சாமி அவ்வளோ பெரிய நான் இவ்வளோலாம் தப்பெல்லாம் பண்ணிருக்கேன், சும்மா ஒரு பிரபத்தின்னு போகிறோம், ஆண்டவனை ஐசிங்கிற சொல்லிடுறேன், நம்மளுடனே கோவைக்கான கட்சிடுமா அப்படின்னு நமக்கே நம்பிக்கை வர மாட்டேங்குது. இந்த கேள்வியெல்லாம் எழுப்பி பதிலாம் வேற சொல்லிருக்கார் சுவாமி. பதில் சொல்லி ஒரு புஸ்தகம் வேற போட்டிருக்க விரோத பரிகாரம். அப்படிலாம் இருந்தால் நமக்கு புத்தி வர மாட்டேங்குது, நம்பிக்கை வர மாட்டேங்குது நமக்கு. ஏன்னா நம்ம கர்மா பிரவாகம். அதனால we should not criticize them because that is based on bhakti. We should admire them. Shankaracharya said bhakti only. Bhaja govindam, bhaja govindam. First அவர் தான் சொன்னார் முதல்ல. ராமானுஜர் முன்னாள் சொன்னது சங்கராச்சாரியா. பஜ கோவிந்தம் கோவிந்தம் பஜ மூடமதே சம்பிராப்தே சந்நிஹிதே காலே நஹி நஹி ரக்ஷதி டுக்ரங்க. உன்னுடைய ஞானம் உனக்கு உபயோகப்படாது, நாம தான் உன்னை காப்பாற்றோம்னு அடிச்சு சொல்லிட்டார் சங்கராச்சாரியா. எம்பெருமானார் நாம வேணான்னு சொல்லவே இல்லை. தேசிகனும் நாம தேசிகன மாதிரி நாம சங்கீர்த்தம் யாரும் பண்ணலை. அது அன்ஃபார்ச்சுனேட்லி இப்போ நாம சங்கீர்த்தனம்னா சைத்தன்ய மகாபிரபு வல்லபாச்சாரியார் பண்ண மாதிரி ஸ்ரீ வைஷ்ணவ யாரும் பண்ணலைன்ற மாதிரி ஒரு பிரச்சாரம் பண்ணிட்டா. அவா பண்ணிட்டா. ரமாதயிதரங் இதை விட என்ன பஜனை வேணும்? ரமாதயிதரங்க பூ ரமண கிருஷ்ண விஷ்ணு ஹரே திரிவிக்ரம ஜனார்த்தன திரியுகநாத நாராயணா. யார் சொல்றாங்க? நாம சங்கீர்த்தனம் இல்லையா? அந்த மாதிரி பல இடங்கள். ஸோ we should respect them, but we should follow Sharanagati. அவ்வளோதான். Next question. Good question. Thank you. அடுத்த question. ஒருத்தர் கேட்குறதால நிறைய பேருக்கு உபயோகப்படும். Many people get benefited because somebody asked a question and it will be throwing some light on some topics. So this Panchasamskar will take a separate topic in some other week, surely. Anybody else? Any other question?
சுவாமி அடி வைஷ்ணவ ராஜகோபாலன் ஒரு கொஸ்டின் இருக்கு சுவாமி.
சரிம்மா வைஷ்ணவி.
இப்போ இப்போ நம்ம ஆழ்வார்கள் எல்லாம் இப்போ அதாவது நம்ம இப்போ பரநியாசம்னா ஒரு நம்ம ஆச்சாரியின் வழியா பண்ணிக்கலாம் இல்லையா? இப்ப ஆழ்வார்கள்லாம் சரணாகதி தான் சொல்றா. பட் அவளுக்கு எப்படி இது பக்தி யோகமா எப்படி அந்த பரநியாசம்ன்றது அவ இருந்தப்போ ஆழ்வார்கள் காலத்துல how did it happen?
சொல்லியிருக்காரே, உன் அடிக்கீழ் அமர்ந்து புகுந்தேனே, கிளியரா சொல்லிட்டாரே, உன் அடிக்கீழ் அமர்ந்து புகுந்தேனே அடிச்சு சொல்ல சரணாகி தான் சொல்லியிருக்காரு. அவ எப்படி சொன்னா அப்படின்னா நித்தியஸ்வரி. அவெல்லாம் நம்மள மாதிரி இல்லை, அவெல்லாம் நல்லா பத்த ஜீவால முதல்ல அதை புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். தேவர் ஆல் நித்தியஸ்வரி. நம்மாழ்வார் இஸ் an incarnation of விஸ்வக்சேனா. தொண்டரடிப்படி ஆழ்வார் வனமாலையுடைய அம்சம். வனமாலை நித்தியசூரி, அவெல்லாம் நித்தியசூரிகள். They are sent தத் ஆத்மானம் சுஜாமியம். Whenever there is a decline in dharma, தர்மம் குறைந்தால், குறைஞ்ச மாதிரி தோணினால் என்னுடைய பாஷதக அனுப்புறேன்னு சொல்லிட்டார். ஸோ தது ஆத்மானம் சுஜாமியம், தானே வரணும்னு அவசியம் கிடையாது. அதனால ஆழ்வார் அனுப்பிச்சிருக்கார். ஆழ்வார் சரணாகதி தான் சொல்லியிருக்கார் மொத்தமே. ஆழ்வார் சொல்லலைன்னா எம்பெருமான் நான் சொல்ல மாட்டார், எம்பெருமான் சொல்லலைன்னு தேசம் சொல்லுவான். ஏன்னா அவ பூர்வர்கள் சொன்னது ஒரு அடி இப்படி அப்படியும் போகாமல் சொல்றது. அதனால தான் நீ சம்பிரதாயம் நிற்கிறது. அதனால இது சம்பிரதாயம் there were thousands of sampradaya, they have vanished simply because you are concocted. So I told you just now, I gave the example, Asaram Bapu or this Dera Sacha Sahib or ரெண்டு பேரும் ஜெயில இருக்கு. because they concocted their own சம்பிரதாயம். ஆல்ரெடி ஒரு சம்பிரதாயம் சித்தமா இருக்கு, ரெடியா இருக்கு, வேத பிரதிபாத்தியமான சம்பிரதாயம். அதை ஃபாலோ பண்ண போறோம். ஸோ நம்மாழ்வார் ஃபாலோட் எக்ஸாக்ட்லி தி வேதிக் ட்ரெடிஷன் ஆஃப் சரணாகதி. அவர் புதுசாக சொல்லலை. நம்மாழ்வார் சொன்னதே அப்படியே ராமானுஜர் அப்படியே மாறன் இல்லையா? அது சொல்ல அதான சொல்றோம். மாமலர் மன்னிய மங்கை மகேந்திரே மார்பின் அந்தாள் தூமலர் சூடிய சொல்லருள் மாறன் துணையடிக்கு வாழ்வை யுகக்கும் ராமானுஜன் அப்படித்தானே சொல்றோம். அவருடைய வன்மை போற்றும் சீர்மை எங்கள் தூப்பல். அதான் சம்பிரதாயமே அதுதான். ஸோ அவர் சொல்லியிருக்காரு, சரணாகதி சொல்லியிருக்காரு. அவன் எல்லாருமே சொல்லி உன்னடிக்கை எப்படி சரணாகதி பண்ணான்னா ஸ்வனிஷ்டை பண்ணலாம், நேராக பண்ணலாம். இருக்கே சுவாமி தேசிகன் சொல்ல போறார், ஸ்வனிஷ்டை, பாகவத நிஷ்டை, உக்தி நிஷ்டை, ஆச்சாரியன். நமக்கு அது குவாலிஃபிகேஷன் இல்லாததால ஒரு ஆச்சாரியன் திருடி பிடிக்கிறோம். சனிஷ்டை தானாவே சொல்லி நேர வைகுண்டத்துக்கு போயிட்டாவா. ஆனா அவ வைகுண்டத்துல நித்தியசூரிகள். ஏற்கனவே நமக்கு ஒரு அனுஷ்டானத்தை காமிக்கணும், இப்படி ஒரு வழி இருக்கு, இப்படி எல்லாம் பெருமாள் அனுபவிக்கலாம் அப்படின்னுக்காக அவங்க அவதாரம் பண்ணி 12 ஆழ்வார்கள் நித்தியசூரிகள். யாரும் ஜீவாத்மா கிடையாது. ஏதோ அவர் தொண்டடிப்படியா ஏதோ பொண்ணு வலையில விழுந்தார், மாலையில விழுந்தார், தாசி கீழே அப்புறம் திருந்தினார் அப்படின்னு அவர் சாதாரண ஜீவன் கிடையாது. இதெல்லாம் ஒரு நீலை, ஒரு நித்தியசூரி. ஐ வாண்டட் டீச்சர்ஸ் சம்திங் ஃபார் ஆல் ஆஃப் அஸ். அவ்வளோதான். இது சொல்லறே பச்சை மலை போல் மீனி பவளபாய் கமலச்சங்கன் தேசிகன் கேட்டார். அந்த கேள்விக்கு இதுவும் பதில் அச்சுதா அவரே. இந்த விட யாரு நாம சங்கீர்த்தனம் பண்ண முடியும்? ஆயிரதம் கொழுந்தே என்னும் இச்சுவை தவிர யான்போ இந்த எனக்கு வைகுண்டமே வேணான்ட்டார். அச்சுவைன்றது சிவைகுண்டம். இங்கே உட்காந்து பஜனை பண்றேன், எனக்கு இது போருமே, அவ்வளோ ருச்சியா இருக்கு. ஒரு ஆழ்வார் சொல்றார், ஒரு மரத்துல இருந்து நிறைய பழங்கள் உடருது, ஸ்வீட்டா இருக்கு, எத்த சாப்பிடுறதுன்னு தெரியல என்னால. புகழ நல்லொருவன் என்கோ பொறிபில் சீர்பூ. திருக்குறள் ஆண்டான் அனுபவம். பூமி என்கோ திகழந்தான் பறவை என்கோ தீ என்கோ வாயு. நீ நெருப்புன்னு சொல்றதா, ஆகாசம் சொல்றதா, நீள் சொல்றது இரண்டும் என்கோ, இகழில் அனைத்தும் என்கோ, கண்ணனை குமாரே. எப்படி சொல்றது உன்னை எப்படின்னு கூப்பிடுறது? சொல்லி 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 நாம சங்கீர்த்தம். அதனால அவெல்லாம் நித்தியசூரிகள், அது புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். அவ நமக்கு சொல்லி வழி காமிக்கிறான், எப்படி அனுபவிக்கணும் சொல்லிக்கிறான். பெருமாள் அச்சு வைத்தவிரை இச்சு வைத்தவிரை யான் போய் அச்சுதா அவரேனே எப்படிலாம் சொல்றான் இல்லையா? என்ன முன்னல் யாழ் பயில் நூல் நரம்பில் முதிர் சிவையே. யாருமே சொல்லல, வேதமே சொல்லலையே. முதல்ல ஒரு குழந்தை வீணை கத்துக்கிறது, அதை மீட்டுறது, அதுல வர்ற அந்த நாதம் அதுதான் நீன்றாரு. முன்னம் யாழ் பயில் நூல் நரம்பின் முதிர் சுவையே. யாருமே சொல்ல. இதெல்லாம் இமேஜின் பண்ண முடியும். என்ன சுகிர்ந்திட்ட கொடுஞ்சுருளின் சுகிர்ந்திட்ட நன்னுதல் ஆழ. ஒரு இருட்டை எடுத்து நல்லா ஒரு இடத்த பஞ்சு மாதிரி பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இருட்டை அதுல நூல் எடுக்கும், அந்த நூலு தான் பெருமாள் தலைமையிறான். இப்படிலாம் இமேஜினே பண்ண. தேசிகன் சொல்ற என்ன, நேத்தான் ஒரு ஆர்டிக்கல் படித்தேன், நிசமப்பிரியார் ஒரு ஆர்டிக்கல். கரும்பு தானா வராது.
ம்.
கரும்பு தானா நம்ம தான் கரும்பு எடுத்து அந்த 3 ஆலை திருக்குறள் ஸ்ரீமுஷ்ண ஆண்டவன் சொல்லுவார் 3 rollers are required to squeeze the sugar cane இல்லையா? 3 ஓணும் 3 இருந்தால் தான் அந்த ஸ்பினையான் ரேக் அண்ட் பினியான் அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட்ல அதான்
ம்.
டெக்னிக். அந்த மாதிரி அதில் போட்டால் தான் அதை பிழிய முடியும். அதனால 3 ஆழ்வார்களை பெருமாளை வரவழைச்சு தான் கரும்பு தானே வந்தது பிழிஞ்சுக்கிறது. என்னை பிழிங்கோன்னு சொல்லுது. அதுதான் அந்த ஆழ்வார் பிரபந்தத்துக்காக பெருமாள் வந்து அவரை போட்டு பிழிஞ்சிட்டான். அதுதான் பிரபந்தம்னு சொல்றாரு. நூத்தன சர்க்கராத்தம் சுவாமி தேசிகன்.
Wow.
புது சர்க்கரை வந்தது. ஏன்னா எங்கேயாவது கரும்பு தானா வந்து பிழின்னு சொல்லுமா? இந்த கரும்பு நடுவில் இடிப்பட்டு மிதிப்பட்டு இவாளை போட்டு அரைச்சி தான் பிழிஞ்சி பிரபந்தமா வந்ததே அப்படின்றார் சுவாமி தேசிகன். ஸோ அதெல்லாம் ரசானுபவம். ஸோ அவள்லாம் நித்தியசூரிகள். இந்த ரசானுபூதி அவளுக்கு தான், அவளுக்கு தெரியும். அதை ரசிக்கணுமே தான் சத்சங்கம் வரணும் கிடையாது. எவ்வளோ கஷ்டப்பட்டு எவ்வளோ பிரபந்தம். பெருமாள் வேதத்தில் இல்லாத டைட்டில்லாம் தேசிகன் தான் கொடுக்க முடியும். ஏன்னா அவர் வேதாந்த தேசிகன். அவர் சொன்னாதான் வேதம். வேதாந்த தேசிகன் என்ன அர்த்தம்? வேதம்லாம் கத்துட்டவன்னு அர்த்தம் இல்லை, இவர் சொல்றது தான் வேதம்னு அர்த்தம். வாச்சமர்த்தம் அனுதாவதி கவிதார்க்கிக சிம்னம்னு அர்த்தம். இவர் சொன்னதான் கவி, இவர் சொன்னதான் வேதம், இவர் சொன்னதான் நியாயம், இவர் சொன்னதான் தர்க்கம். கவி தார்க்கிக சிம்மம்னா வாட் எவர் வேதாந்த தேசிகா சேஸ் தட் இஸ் லாஜிக். அதுதான் அர்த்தம். அது பெருமாள் சும்மா கொடுக்கல. வேதாந்த ஆச்சாரியன் டைட்டில் ஃபிட்ஸ் ஒன்லி பெருமாள், நோபடி எல்ஸ். ஏன்னா அவரே சொல்லுகிறார் வேதச்ச சர்வர் அகமேவ வேத்யா வேதாந்த கிருத் வேதவித் ஏவச்சாகம். என் பேரு வேதாந்த தேசிகன், என் பேர் வேதாந்த தேசிகன் வேதாந்தாதிபதினு தானே கீதையில சொன்னவர் தன் டைட்டிலே அவர் கொடுக்குறேன்னு அர்த்தம். நானும் அவரும் ஒன்றுன்னு அர்த்தம். அவர் தான் நான் தான் அவர்னு அர்த்தம். அதுதான் அர்த்தம் அதுக்கு. சும்மா வேதாந்தா டைட்டில் கொடுத்துட்டார் அவர் வாங்கிட்டார்னா இவர் யார்? அவர் கொடுக்குறா அவர் யார்? அந்த டைட்டில் யாரு கொடுக்குறது? வேதாந்த ஆரியன்ற டைட்டில் பெருமாள் ஒருத்தர் தான். சாதாரண ஜீவாத்மெல்லாம் கொடுக்க முடியாது. ஸோ அவர் சொல்றார், தேசிகன் சொல்றார் பக்தோபமர்த்த ரசிகா டேகடி சக்தி. பக்தர்கள் 4 பேர் வந்துட்டா இந்த மாதிரி நீங்க கோஷ்டி வந்தா அது நல்ல புகுந்துண்டு சக்கையா பிடிக்கிற மாதிரி தன்னை ஆக்கின்றுவான். எங்க கோஷ்டி இருந்தாலும் தத்திர திஷ்டாமி நாரத பிரமாணம் புராணமே சொல்லு. நயோகினம் மத்பக்தாக எத்தனை காயந்தி. இங்க வந்து சொத்தங்க நடக்கிறது. பெருமாள் இது நடுவில் பூந்துண்டு தன்னை கசக்கிடுவார், கசக்கிப்பார். அது தேசிகன் தான் சொன்னார். அது அவர் சொன்னதான் நமக்கு தெரியும். ஏன்னா அவர் தான் பெருமாள், அவர் தான் சொல்லணும் அவரை பத்தி. பெருமாளை எப்படி காதலிக்கணும், எப்படி பிரேமிக்கணும், அந்த பிரேமையில என்னன்னா அந்த பிரேமையே ஒரு ரூபம் வந்து அதான் ராது. பவிஷ்யத்துல புராணத்துக்கு சும்மா இல்லை, பிரம்மவேர்த்த புராணத்துக்கு பெருமாள் வந்து என்னை காதலிக்கணும் எப்படி அவர் சொன்னாலும் தெரியும். எப்படி தெரியும்? கண்ணன் அடியனை ஸ்ரீமுஷ்ணானந்தர் சொன்னார், தன் திருவடிய கண்டன் தன் அடியினை எமக்கு காட்டும். அவன் தான் காமிக்கணும். அவன் காமிக்கணும் நமக்கு எப்படி தெரியும்? அவன் திருவடி எப்படி பிடிக்கணும், எப்படி சரணாகி பண்ணணும், இதுக்கு என்ன ப்ரொசீஜர், என்ன டெக்னாலஜி, என்ன சயின்ஸ், அவன் சொன்னது தானே தெரியும். அதான் தேசிகன் அவங்க தஞ்ச பரகதியை தந்தருவன் வாழியை திருமலை திருமணியாய் சிறக்க வந்து. அதனால ஹவு டு லவ் ஹிம் ஒன்லி ஹி ஹஸ் டு டெல். ஸோ தானே இருந்து ப்ராக்டிக்கலாக ராதையா இருந்து காமிக்கிறான் பெருமாள் எப்படி லவ்னு என்னன்றது. அது மாதிரி ஆழ்வார்களாக வந்து நமக்கு எப்படி அனுபவிக்கணும் பெருமாள், இந்த வாழ்க்கையில எப்படி அனுபவிக்கணும், என்னென்ன சுகம் என்னென்ன ரசம் அப்படின்னு காமிக்கணும். அதனால ஆழ்வார்கள் பண்ணியிருக்கா, நித்தியசூரிகள் பண்ணி காமிச்சிருக்கா நமக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். ஆடியோ வரல.
We can't hear you. Call in user 2.
Yeah, call in user 2. We are unable to hear you.
Call in user 2. You are not audible.
ஓகே, நாளைக்கு கண்டினியூ பண்ணலாம்.
கண்டினியூ.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். கவிதார்க்க சிம்மாய கல்யாண குணசாலினி சிமதே வெங்கடேஷாய வேதாந்த குரவே நமஹ. ஜெய ஜெய ஸ்ரீ சோசனா. ஏதாவது அனௌன்ஸ்மெண்ட் இருக்கா சுரேஷ்? ஏதாவது அனௌன்ஸ்மெண்ட் இருக்காங்க?
இப்போ எதுவும்
இல்லை. நாளைக்கு எல்லாரும் வர வேண்டியது இதான்
தன்யவாதங்கள். நாளைக்கு
ஜெய் ஜெய் சார்.
தேங்க்யூ.
Yes, yes, yes.